If you want to live in Huntington Beach, California, but avoid the tourist trap, here's where the locals are actually buying. This $2,195,000 home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,283 square feet. This beautiful, in-demand Meredith Garden neighborhood home has been completely transformed into a luxurious masterpiece. The eye-popping interior finishes and flowing floor plan will please even the most demanding buyer. White oak plank flooring runs throughout the home, creating a pleasing soft palette for the extended finishes such as ceramic wall features, dark chocolate 4-inch baseboards, interior doors, and casements, which had a feel of richness and luxury to the entire home. And all of it with soft lit white LED recessed lighting. The kitchen is incredibly luxurious with custom European style soft close cabinetry and quartzite countertops, consisting of a sub-zero refrigerator, a true chef's dream. The first floor has an ample living room and off-kitchen family room, providing plenty of space for gatherings. There is also a downstairs primary suite, complete with gas fireplace and its own luxury spa-inspired suite bath. The laundry room is also located downstairs, and it is adjacent to the half bath off the dining area. Moving up to the second floor, the staircase is extra wide and features its own lighting along the walls, guiding you along, making you feel as if you were on your own private jet. The upstairs primary suite will easily accommodate the king-size bed, featuring his or her reading sconces and standing ensuite bath with a floating dual vanity, topped off with an oversized backlit mirror. But the kicker is the walk-in closet that you walk into and through. The storage size is incredible, and it has all been outfitted with closet organizers and packages. 2 additional upstairs bedrooms also featuring nice sized closets with organized packages and a beautiful bathroom. This home also features a new HVAC system, washer dryer, and Honeywell home thermostat, allowing you to control it from almost anywhere via your smartphone. The backyard is the perfect size for entertaining and just relaxing without feeling cramped, with an ample lawn, accent and border landscape with mature plants and full-length slab patio. This beautiful $1,499,888 home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's 1,537 square feet. Nestled in the beach-close community of Pacific Sands, this fully remodeled single-story 4-bedroom home with no interior steps sits on a nicely sized lot with a pool, and it's serviced by Huntington Beach's top-rated schools. The curb appeal begins with a refreshed front door and freshly painted exterior. Entering the home, you are greeted by an open, spacious living room featuring rich laminated flooring, smooth coat finishings on all the walls and ceilings, a large window, recessed lighting, and cozy gas fireplace with brick facade and an abundance of natural light. The thoughtful layout seamlessly leads into a gourmet kitchen with a generously sized peninsula, with breakfast bar, a large window framing views of the entertainer's backyard. There's quartz countertops with a waterfall edge, classic white subway backsplash, and soft closing white oak shaker cabinetry. Premium Samsung stainless steel appliances adjacent to the kitchen as a charming dining area featuring floating shelves and dry bar. Do you want to know how far your money goes in Huntington Beach, California? These home prices might shock you. This exceptional $3,800,000 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is a one-of-a-kind. This beautiful home is an Edwards Hill Estate property. This Ascot Series Hampton home boasts a massive 13,225 square foot lot creating your own private resort compound. The 5-car garage and driveway that will accommodate an additional 5 or more vehicles adds to the uniqueness of this beautiful home. This exceptional, one-of-a-kind Edwards Hill estate property, this Ascot Series Hampton home, both a massive 13,000 square foot lot, creating your own private resort compound, beautifully designed and upgraded throughout, with ridgewood flooring flowing throughout the living space. Crisp contemporary kitchen was remodeled and features sleek quartz countertops and large center island. The luxe white cabinetry with designer-selected hardware. It has a built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator and high-end series appliances. The family room is open to the kitchen and looks out throughout new floor panels by folding doors to your tropical paradise. The rear grounds of the home make you feel like you are in a 5-star resort. The Pebble Tech salt system pool and spa was completely redone. Fabulous barbecue area with multiple accoutrements and thoughtfully designed seating area. The main living space of the home offers high volume ceilings and attractive windows that let in tons of natural sunlight. This is a conveniently located downstairs bedroom with its own ensuite bath. Ascending up the grand staircase to your primary suite, sanctuary. Palatial scale with a lovely seating area, fireplace, and private balcony. There are 3 additional generously sized bedrooms upstairs and 2 of them offering ensuite baths. This home is located in the highly desirable SeaCliff area that offers access to Equestrian Center and horse trails. The private Huntington Club golf course is just around the corner, and that offers multiple opportunities for sports and recreation. Come live the California coastal lifestyle at its finest. This gorgeous $2,550,000 home has 2,800 square feet, 2 primary bedroom suites, plus a 3rd bedroom. Let's take a look. This stunning Ocean Point residence, ideally located just blocks from the sand and crashing surf in one of HB's most coveted and serene enclaves, spanning over 2,765 feet. The home offers an impressive blend of refined design, thoughtful functionality, and timeless elegance. Step inside to discover a beautifully updated home featuring dual primary suites and 3 bedrooms in total, each with its own spa-inspired recently renovated ensuite bathrooms and custom closet built-ins. One of the primary suites has a glowing fireplace and balcony with French doors. Enter into an open living room with fireplace and French doors opening to the outdoor patio for al fresco dining. The separate inviting family room adjacent to the kitchen that showcases a custom fireplace with new surround built-ins, creating the perfect space for gathering and relaxation. The chef's kitchen is a masterpiece, complete with an expansive quartz waterfall island, new design backsplash, custom cabinetry, walk-in pantry, and professional-grade stainless steel appliances from Wolf and Sub-Zero. Every detail has been considered, from the beautiful staircase railing to the custom lighting, dual-pane windows. The private 3rd-level deck offers the perfect retreat for sunbathing or adding a spa for the ultimate relaxation. This lovely $1,499,000 home has 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Discover an incredible opportunity in the highly sought-after Pacific Sands neighborhood. This spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers generous living areas, 2 fireplaces, and a large balcony, perfect for enjoying the refreshing ocean breeze. The backyard offers endless potential for entertaining, featuring a sparkling pool, expansive patio space, outdoor shower, and plenty of room to create a built-in barbecue and seating area. It's ready to be transformed into the coastal retreat that you've dreamt of. Just minutes from the sand, surf, and pier. Conveniently close to restaurants, shops, and Pacific City, a remarkable opportunity for both homeowners and investors seeking to customize a house in one of the area's most coveted coastal communities. This property is brimming with potential. Bring your vision and transform this classic fixer into a coastal dream your family has been waiting for. I've lived in Huntington Beach for over 25 years, and I can honestly say every neighborhood has its own personality. So today, I wanted to answer a few of the questions that I get all the time from buyers who are trying to figure out which area might be the right fit for them. Let's start with what makes a neighborhood family-friendly. For most families, it's more than just the number of bedrooms or the size of the backyard. It's about the connection and community. Safe streets where kids can ride their bikes, great local schools, nearby parks, and neighbors who actually know each other. Here in Huntington Beach, areas like SeaCliff and Huntington Harbor really check those boxes. You've got walking paths, playgrounds, and that coastal lifestyle that feels laid back but still connected. Now, another question I hear a lot is about proximity to public transportation. Even though we're in a beach city where most people drive, having easy access to routes like the 405, Beach Boulevard, or even public transit stops can be a big plus. It's convenient for commuters and adds long-term value to your home. Buyers love knowing they can get to Los Angeles, Newport, or Irvine without sitting in traffic for an hour. Well, most days anyways. One of my very favorite topics is the hidden gem neighborhoods, the ones that don't always get the spotlight, but have so much to offer. Dutch Haven is a perfect example. It's charming, established, and close to everything. Pacific Shores is one of the timeless Huntington Beach communities that people fall in love with. Let's also include one of the most iconic spots in all of Surf City, the numbered streets of downtown Huntington Beach. These homes offer such a special lifestyle. When people ask me what makes this area stand out, I tell them, it's the energy. You can walk or bike to Main Street, the pier, and some of the very best restaurants, coffee shops, and boutiques in town. You're living in the heart of the action. Yet depending on which street you're on, you can still enjoy a quiet coastal residential feel. The homes themselves vary. You'll find everything from charming original beach cottages to stunning modern builds with rooftop decks and ocean views. That mix of old and new is part of what gives downtown Huntington Beach its personality. You can feel the history and the progress all at once. Once people discover it, they can really find value, personality, and that sense of belonging. Over the years, I've seen so many positive changes in our community that have boosted home values. Now, new restaurants, bike paths, shopping centers, and upgraded schools. Huntington Beach has done a great job investing in itself, keeping things fresh and walkable while holding on to that beach town soul. All of that adds to property value and makes it a place people love to call home. When it comes to helping buyers decide which neighborhood fits best, my approach is simple. I listen. I ask about how you live. Do you surf before you work? Want to walk your kids to school? Need quiet streets for evening walk? Or a place close to nightlife and restaurants? Once I understand your lifestyle, I can match you with the right neighborhood, not just the right house. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about where you live, it's about how you feel living there. So if you're thinking about making a move here to Huntington Beach, or even just exploring your options, I'd love to help you find your perfect community. I'm Meredith Hayden. All of my information is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 90 days, I would love to help. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe.